Have you ever had one of those moments where you've walked out of a conversation and think to yourself, fuck, why the fuck did I react like that? You didn't want to shout. You didn't want to defend yourself. You didn't want to look flustered or weak or out of control, but you did, because in that moment your emotions were running the show and your emotional intelligence nowhere to be found. See, I see this in courtrooms, in co-parenting conflicts, in business deals, and worst of all, in men trying to lead their own lives, their families, and themselves with zero emotional training. We're told to man up, but no one shows us how to handle the being triggered without flipping out, or how to respond with strategy instead of ego, or how to shut down manipulation without turning cold or cruel. And here's the truth: most people want you to avoid. You're not in control if you don't control your emotions. You're just reacting to the people who know how to press your buttons better than you do. And that's what I've created this PDF book for. This isn't a self-help book. It's a field manual. It's called Command Emotional Intelligence. And it's designed to make you handle stress before it handles you. Read people like a behavioral map. Speak with calm authority. Master your reactions under pressure. And stop getting emotionally played by people who want power over you. It's 12 sections, no fluff, no cliches, no, just tools that work in courtrooms, crisis, conflict, and everyday life. If you've ever lost your temper and lost an argument, if you've ever been accused of being too cold or too reactive, if you want to lead your life without being manipulated, then get the PDF. Read it, train with it, because emotional intelligence isn't about being soft. It's about being strategically in charge of yourself. And right now, that's the rarest form of power on the planet, because people can't do it. Or don't. Stay reactive. Let your triggers do the talking. But don't be surprised when people stop listening. Simple as that, really.